Are you a veteran or active service member ready to buy a home in 2025? You could save thousands with the right VA loan strategy, but only if you know the insider steps. So stick with me. I'm going to show you exactly how to get the most out of your VA benefits and keep more money in your pocket. So here we go. Number one, what is a VA loan? It is a government-backed mortgage for veterans, active duty, and some surviving spouses. There's no down payment required. There's no private mortgage insurance, what's also called PMI, competitive interest rates, and flexible credit requirements, okay? So number two, who qualifies in 2025? All right, active duty service members with 90 plus days of service, veterans with a required length of service, National Guard and Reservists 6 years, or if you're activated, surviving spouses if they're still eligible and not remarried in most cases, and you must have your valid COE. Number three, how VA loans save you thousands of dollars. There's no down payment, so that saves you tens of thousands up front right there. There's no PMI, which saves you another $100 to $300 a month compared to FHA or conventional loans. Lower average interest rates, so you have better interest rates with VA loans compared to conventional deals, and their closing costs are typically lower, and also the sellers in most cases will cover the closing costs for the veteran. Number four, 2025 VA loan requirements. Okay, suggested credit score needs to be above a 580. Your debt to income ratio is pretty flexible, 55% or below, and your home must be your primary residence. Number five, tips to maximize your VA loan benefits. Work with a lender who specializes in VA loans. Request seller concessions to cover closing costs. You can actually use your VA benefit more than once, so yes, it's reusable, and make sure you're plugged into a rockstar real estate agent to make sure you have a great experience. All right, finally, the VA loan process, start to finish. Number one, get your COE, choose a VA approved lender, get yourself pre-approved, find your dream home, make an offer, and then we're off ordering the VA appraisal for you. We get you guys into underwriting, then we get your final approval, and then we're off to the title company for closing. We've been doing this for 20 years and we know all the ins and outs, you guys. So if you're a veteran, we'd love to work with you. Working with a local lender is not only faster, but it's personal. It's our duty to make sure you get a rockstar deal on your VA loan, and we appreciate your business.